have is literally food squishes. I literally want some dumplings. She has so much dumplings everywhere. She looks so rich. I really want some dumplings. I'm going to ask if she wants to trade.
All I want is some food squishes. All I've got is some dumplings. I don't want them. I want food. Because I'm a big back.
I'm going to be trading my cheese squishy. Who wants it? Going once, going twice.
Me.
Okay, what do you have to trade?
Me. I'll trade you this rainbow dumpling.
Okay. Sorry, you're going to have to add.
I'll trade you this yellow dumpling.
Accept.
I accept too.
Okay, give me these dumplings right now.
Give me that.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to add this glitter Orby dumpling. Going once, going twice.
Okay, I'll be trading this Oreo tabber. Little does she know, guys, it is actually ripped. It is literally torn to pieces. Like, just, yeah, I'm actually scamming her, so please don't tell her. And also, there's a hole at the bottom where I could just stick my thumb in. Woo!
Okay, but I think you might have to add.
What? What am I gonna add?
I don't know, but this is like a rare because it's glitter.
Okay. Okay, that's glitter too. I'm gonna have to be taking that off. Except, I think you might add. I think you might want to add, young lady.
What should I give her? I think I might give her this. Okay, I'll give you this pink dumpling.
Accept. Just give me them.
No, I'm not taking that.
Thank you, my kind. Lights, camera, action, off. Mic drop.